Hello viewers, today I will be unboxing my new DJI Mini 3 Flying Mall Combo Plus. So with this one, it comes with extra batteries and extra bits, unlike the regular one. And today is the 13th of May 2024. That's the current time here in Malaysia. So I'm staying in EQ Hotel in Kuala Lumpur. I flew in from Adelaide yesterday. And just before I jumped on the plane, I got this JB Hi-Fi. It's currently on special. I think the full price is about 1,400, but I got it just I got it for it's about 1,000. Yeah, with the memory card. It's a 256 gigabyte memory card for the drone. Oh, look at that! It looks really cute. All right, so I'm gonna be unboxing these now. Let's see. Here, like that. These, when I saw them on the website, they look really, really cool. I said, no, I'm gonna get one for myself. The difference with this one is that it's got a screen on the controller, which is pretty cool. Wow. This comes with a shoulder bag, which is also pretty cool. So it says here, what's that? So shoulder bag, yep. Oh. So this is the controller. Wow, pretty cool. Wow. Pretty cool. Nice. That's the drone. So, what else we got here? So that's the controller. I believe this should be charger. Oh, okay. And that's the manual, I believe. Yeah. Cool. So there's the chargers, the manuals. Wow. These are the batteries. Hang on, how come? What does it say here? Oh yeah, it comes with 2 batteries. Oh wow, okay. All right, there you have it. The shoulder bag, which is really cool. It feels durable, you know, and yeah, it looks like it's gonna last a long time. And the screen, the controller with the screen, the mini drone, a screwdriver, a charger, 2 chargers actually, 2 USB chargers, 2 extra batteries, and a battery charging hub. I believe one of the chargers is for charging the battery hub, it's right here, and the other one is for charging the drone, maybe, or maybe one of the charger charges 2, and then the other one charges the battery hub. You'll find out. But looking at these, it just seems like there's some extra wings that should have come with the drone, like some spare, you know, some spare wings or something. I don't know, I'll find out, but couldn't find any extra bits in here. This is all I've got here. Yeah, there you have it. Catch you another time. I'm gonna be using these to shoot more videos for you guys, and yeah, I hope you like and subscribe, you know, and see you another time. I'm touching base another time here. Bye.